Now to add your friends or pages as favorites on Facebook, you have to open the Facebook app. And now just tap the menu icon, the three lines at the top right. Now from here you have to scroll down and simply press Settings and Privacy. From here, go to Settings. And now here under Preferences, you will see the option News Feed. So you simply have to tap that. And here the first option says Favorites. Add people and pages to prioritize their posts in your news feed. So you simply have to select that. Now here you will see all your friends in a list that you can select to add as favorites, and you will also see all the pages you are a part of. Alright, so you can simply tap add to add them as favorites. I will show you how. So as you can see, added, and it is showing the sign of favorites. Now if you will go back and you will press favorites again, you can see that I have added 2 of my friends in the favorites. Alright, so if you want to remove any of your friends or pages, you can simply tap these 3 dots in the right, and then you can simply tap remove from favorites. So that will remove that person from favorites and they won't get notified about this. Alright, so that's all you need to know. That's all you need to do to add people and pages to your favorite section. Now I will show you how favorites work. So if you go back to your news feed and if you will scroll down a bit, and then if you will go back upwards, you will see this section favorites at the top, home, favorites and recent. So if you want to see only those posts from your favorites, you can simply tap that, and here it will show all the posts from those friends that you have added as your favorite. All right, so it is gonna show that. So as it is written, you are up to date on posts from favorites. There were no posts in the last 3 days. So as you can see, I have only added one friend, and maybe that person hasn't uploaded on anything in the past 3 days. So that's why I'm not able to see anything. But if you want to see the post of your favorites, you can just visit this section and this will show all the posts of the friends or pages that you have added in the favorites section. So that's how it works. Now if you again want to manage your favorites, add or remove anyone, you can directly go from here as well. You can see the option manage favorites, so press that, and this will again take you to this section where you can add friends and pages, and you can also remove them. All right.